We got a '05 Volkswagen Passat in the shop today, and has a very, very loud noise coming from the back of the engine. And I did a little research, and there's a chain that connects the two camshafts together. It's in the back of the engine, which is exactly where the noise is coming from. And so I decided to pull the oil pan. Well, you can't really take it all the way off, but you can drop it down enough to take the pickup tube off the oil pump. So what you do is just unbolt the engine, unbolt the oil pan, jack up the engine, and when I pull the pickup tube off the oil pump, well, I don't guess you'll be able to see, would you? I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's tons and tons of little bits and pieces of tiny little bits of, I don't know what it is really. I have no idea what it is. But it's all over the screen. So I'm gonna get a new one and put it back together and try it.